Hi there and welcome. This is Nellie Deutsch, a teacher educator who loves to teach and share. Today, I want to talk about something very practical that many of us are dealing with right now, and that is creating quizzes with AI. This is something I see not only with educators, but also with business trainers, learning and development teams, and anyone responsible for training others. It sounds like a great idea, using AI for quizzes, and it can save time, but it also brings some challenges. The quizzes can feel too general. They don't always match what we want learners to achieve, and sometimes they just don't feel meaningful. So the question is not how fast we can create quizzes online. It's how we can create better ones that actually support learning and training. In my work, I guide educators and trainers in using AI to create their quizzes. And then I ask them to reflect. What works, what doesn't, and why. They compare the tools, look at the quality of the questions, and think about how well the quiz supports learning or training goals. And again, many of them choose the best online quiz maker, which is ProProfs Quiz Maker, not because it's flashy, but because it works in a way that supports good teaching and effective training. Let me show you what I mean. ProProfs Quiz Maker is often described as one of the world's easiest online quiz maker. It's a fully cloud-based platform designed for creating secure professional quizzes and assessment. And it's widely used in employee training, hiring, onboarding, and compliance training, as well as education. ProProfs is designed to be simple, fast, and reliable, which is exactly what most of us need. You can create quizzes easily with its AI quiz creator using text, PDFs, documents, videos, or even YouTube videos and web page links. So you're not starting from scratch. At the same time, you can adjust everything so it fits your learning or training objectives. There are over 20 different question types, which allows you to design quizzes that are interactive, engaging, and meaningful. There's also a very large library with over 100,000 ready-made quizzes and more than 1 million questions, along with over 200 expert-designed skill and psychometric assessments if you want something structured to begin with. Second, the quizzes feel more engaging. You can add images, videos, and different types of questions so learners stay involved. It becomes part of the learning process, not just something at the end. Third, it supports learning, not just grading. You can add feedback and explanations, and everything from grading to certification can be automated. I love this. This is especially helpful in training, onboarding, and compliance. You can also automate reminders and set certificate expiry dates so learners are notified to retake quizzes when needed and stay up to date, which is important for ongoing compliance. Fourth, you get real insight. The platform provides advanced reporting and analytics, so you can easily see how learners are performing, identifying gaps, and responding in a more focused way. Fifth, it works across different contexts. This is not just for education. It's widely used for employee training, onboarding, compliance, hiring, online exams, and even personality or skills assessments. If you're working in more formal settings, there are strong security features. You can create secure, proctored assessments with anti-cheating settings like tab switching control, randomized questions, and access restrictions, which are important when assessments really matter. Another thing I really appreciate is how accessible and scalable. It's fully cloud-based and mobile-friendly, so learners can take quizzes anytime and from anywhere. And get this, it also supports different languages for global use. And if you ever need help, there is 24/7 customer support available, which makes a real difference when you're using a tool regularly. One question I always get is about pricing, especially from educators. There is a free version, which is a nice way to get started and try things out, especially if you're creating shorter courses. But if you're using this for teaching, training, or anything ongoing, you'll probably move to a paid plan. The pricing starts at a reasonable monthly level and then scales depending on how much you use it and what features you need. What I like is that you can start simple and grow into it. And finally, I've mentioned this before, but I'll mention it again. It's simple. You don't need to spend time figuring things out. You can create, share, embed, and manage quizzes easily. For me, this is what matters most. A quiz should help people learn, not just to measure them. And it should work just as well in a classroom or a training room as it does in real-world training. ProProfs Quiz Maker brings those things together in a very natural way. If you're creating quizzes for teaching, training, or professional development, and especially if you're using AI as part of your workflow, this is definitely worth exploring. Take a look at the link in the description of this video and try ProProf quizzes today. And if you enjoy practical ideas like this, stay connected and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.